Hey everybody, Dave here at Scale Models Midwest. Welcome back to the workbench. So I made a decision on some kits that I'm going to start building and I wanted to share this with you. Yesterday's video, I was at Hobby Lobby over the weekend and showed you that I picked up this kit, which is two kits in one, and I decided this will be my first kit of 23. I might change a few things. One, I've already looked through the kit. I'm getting ready to take it upstairs so I can put it through some hot soapy water, and then once it's dry, start sanding and start putting it together. The cycle rims I might omit. I like them, but I might not use them. The reason why is I might not even go with the excellent tires that are in the kit. Pad printed. They got some really cool pie crust slicks on them, but if I don't use them, they'll be great for the parts box to be used in the future. However, I thought that I had a set of Z-Man wheels, both in green with baby moons and red. These are 19s and 23s, and I thought, man, that'd look really cool. So I may very well do that, but I'm still going to think about it. The stock T I can build with a turtle deck or with a short pickup bed, and I think I'm going to go with the short pickup bed. I've never built one stock before, so I thought I'll do it. I might actually do it in the same color. I don't know. I've got that yellow. I've got a light yellow, might also work, but I don't know. I'm gonna have some fun with it, but I'm gonna have even more fun with the challenge kit I'm getting ready to build. Let me clear the table and show you what I'm going to do. So a couple of weeks ago, I saw on 6TeesRule's YouTube channel a group build challenge starting yesterday, January 1st, and going through March 1st, of a Psychedelic 60s group build. And I thought, pretty cool, I'd like to be involved with that. So I looked at the rules, pretty straightforward. Go check his channel out, again, 6TeesRule's. And right off the bat, I started thinking, 68 Hemi dart. Well, not street legal, but that kit can be built as a dart DTS with 440. And I thought, I got a couple of those kits on the shelf. I could pull one down and build a GTS. And I thought that I really want to build the Hemi dart. So I decided against that one. Had a couple of Camaros, a couple of Mustangs. I even had a 68 Chevelle, and I have a 69 Hersolds, which I will definitely be building someday in the future, but just not today. Then I saw one kit, probably one of the oldest kits on my shelf. I bought it years ago, and I decided, you know what, that's something unique. I haven't seen anybody build this one, so I figured I'd share it with you today. This is a blueprinter kit, and it's a Sunbeam Tiger. Now, take a look at the price real quick. It was regular price at 13 bucks, and I got it for $8.28. Local hobby store that had that. And I'm going to build this one. I've seen on eBay that, yeah, they've got people selling it for $49.95, $74.95, 10 to 16 bucks in shipping, and it'll get it to you. Even have an actual original Get Smart Sunbeam Tiger, original box art and everything, for like 350 bucks or 305 bucks they're wanting for it. But I don't care. I kind of have this realization after watching Matt from Model Car Videos. I think he made mention of this, that he's got a ton of kits, and I've seen this and heard this on other channels before. You know, you got a ton of kits, but not a ton of time to build them. So one of my goals is to build as many kits as I can and have fun doing it. But at the same time, I do have some kits that are pretty valuable that I'll share with you someday. This one, yeah, I looked at the value of it on eBay and decided I'm still going to build it. So I'll show you what I got going. For starters, I kind of mocked it up, taped the fender flares in place, and the air dam. Now, this is what it looks like, the original kit. The original, not the blueprinter, But that's the Sunbeam Tiger. This one does not have any decals with it, but it has that air dam. And I'm thinking I'm going to have to go with the air dam because I am going to definitely use the aftermarket tires that came with it, as well as the mini lights, which I'll probably paint gold or silver and set that up. But still, I like the body. It's clean, well molded, good detail. This is a tiny kit, by the way. And then I saw a picture of a Sunbeam Tiger race car. I'll show you this one real quick. Again, going back over here. That's what I looked at. And that's what got me deciding on, yeah, I'm going to build this kit. I used to autocross my Mustangs years ago, and I remember seeing a little one of these on the track, and they just look really cool. They're not super fast, but they look fast going around the track. I thought, why not? So this will be my entry into 6T's Rule group build video that started yesterday going in through March 1st. So I'm going to build this, and again, I'm going to build the 2-in-1 kit. Those will be my first kits for 2023. Hope you like them. Keep checking out the channel for the videos on the progress, and we'll see you in the next video.